Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about the Deals module in Aasaan ERP Lite. So the Deals module is a very powerful business tool. It helps businesses to track, manage, and improve their sales process. It works as a central place where you can see all your deals from which source you have been getting the deals from. You can also assign those deals to your teammates, and you can even check their stages in which the deal is at currently. This really helps the business to grow faster. It helps the sales team to organize and quickly follow up those deals and to close those deals. So this really helps the business to grow faster. So let's head towards the deals module. First of all, we'll go towards the left hand menu. There you will see CRM. On clicking on the CRM, the drop down menu will drop and you will see the deals option. On clicking on the deals option, as the page loads, the first thing you will see is the deals table. In the deals table, you will see all different informations regarding those deals, such as the name, the number, the source, from where you got the deal, the state, the city, profession, requirement, etc. etc. So above this table, you can see all the colored buttons, such as the add new button, using which you can create a new deal. Then the import multiple deals button. Then comes the sales funnel button, clicking on which it will take you to a page where you can see all your deals and the stages they are currently at. Then comes the filter button, clicking on which you can filter out certain deals that you want to check out. And then comes the reset table button, using which you can reset the table directly without refreshing the whole page. Then comes the trash button, clicking on which it will take you to the trash page where you can see all the deleted deals. Then comes the deal bulk delete option, using which you can delete multiple deals simultaneously. Then comes the report button, using which you can generate a report of all the deals that you have. You can also combine this with the filter option to generate certain reports for certain deals. So let's create a new deal first. First of all, we'll click on the add button. As you click on the add button, the form will load up where you can enter all the details of your deal. First of all, we'll enter the name. Suppose it's a test name. Then we'll enter the source from where you got the deal. Suppose you got it from Facebook. Then the phone number, it could be the client's phone number or anything. The email address, then you can also assign it from here to your team members and enter all the other details you see if it's necessary for you. Then you can also add the personal informations from here. Then you can also add the company informations from here. Then you can click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see the show page where you will see all the information you have added, like you added the source, Facebook, and etc. etc. And if you scroll down, you can see that you can add up follow-up details like I'll go to meet them tomorrow or anything as such. You can also do this later on from the table directly. You can upload any files regarding the deal, etc. from here or from the table as well. If we head back to the table, you can see there are different other buttons in the table, like you can directly WhatsApp the person, you can call them, you can email them, you can direct text them, or you can edit the deal if you enter any more details regarding the deal. You can also click on the name of the ID of the deal, and you can see that the show page will pop up in where you can enter details like I'll be meeting them tomorrow or anything, and then submit it. Once you do that and head back and reload this table, you can see that it shows up on the table that you are gonna meet them tomorrow. Similarly, you can do other things and write other stuff over there which will help your team to see what's going on with the deal. You can also make a quote directly from here, but we'll talk about it later on in another video. And then you can also delete the deal from here, and you can upload documents regarding this deal directly from here by clicking on it and then uploading it. And there is another option to convert this into an account. If suppose it's a successful deal and you already got the client, then you can convert it into an account directly from here. Also, some leads which are qualified to become a deal, you can go to the lead page and click on the convert deal option, and it will ask you whether you want to convert it or not. And if you click on yes, it will convert the lead directly to deals. You don't have to fill it again. And that's how it all works, and it's very simple and very easy to use. I hope you understood and got the hang of how things work in the deals module. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do explore our ERP Lite and do leave feedback whether you like it or not, if you are willing to use it or not, in the comments below. Thank you so much.